Harry Potter and the Mysterious Ticking Noise. July 17th, 2008, 4 a.m.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus
Please, Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus
Please, Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus
Please, Dumbledore!
Severus
Please, Dumbledore! Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Snape,
Severus
Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione! Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus
Please, Dumbledore! Harry Potter! Please, Dumbledore!
singing our song all night long at Hogwarts.
Found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yay! Boom! Ha 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 ha! Voldemort!
Voldemort!
Ooh!
Voldemort!
Voldemort! Wah, 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 wah.
It's 4 a.m. Cut us a break.
Yay!
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Snape.
Oh no!
Why do graham crackers